Hello friends, welcome to my gardening channel Growing Container. Today I will show you how you can collect winter flowering plant seeds. So let's start. So this variety name is Flex and its seed look like this one. You can see this is the seed. So flowers are like that and this different type of flowers colors. You see this is the different color. Variety name is Flex. And you can see these seeds are coming when the flower dried out, then they produce seeds. This one is the seed, the rounded one. You can collect it like that and sell them. So when flower dried out, first stage is they were green and then they turn brown, and then this seed will come out. So this variety is Flex. This one is 1 foot tall, and there are some other varieties that are short. Both have same type of seeds. So this is the short variety. You can see they are like collecting seeds. You see this, and flower size is same. And this is the second variety. Its name is Petunia. So it has the same process. When flower dried out like this one, it produced seed pod. It was brown in start, light green in start, and then turned brown like this one. This one is ready, this one is not yet ready. So you can pick it like that. Just move it, and you can see the seed pod is opening. This is the best time to collect them. So let me show how the seed look like. They are very small. See, just put them like that and you will see the seed. You can see the little dots, black dots. These are the seeds of Petunia. You see, these are the small seeds. Another example. It is also opening, and let me show you the seeds. You have to put it like that, and you can see the black small. These are the seeds. See the rounded black one. These are the seeds, the black rounded one. This is Petunia seeds. Every variety have the same kind of seed and same size, but they are in different colors. Okay, here is the third variety. This one is dog flower. It also have many colors. You can see the magenta one, the orange one, and there are many other colors also available. So the process of collecting dog flower seed is very easy. You have to wait until the flower dried out and this type of seed pod will come out. First stage is this, and the last stage is this one. You can see the seeds are coming. These are the seed pods, and if you see here, these are the green ones. They are not yet ready, but the brown ones are ready. So this one is the brown one, this one is the ready, and that one is not yet ready. It is green. This one does not have any seeds. This one, here is the seed pod. So how the seed look like? So they are like this, same like Petunia. You can see how many seeds one seed pod have. There are so many. So let me show you another example. Just pick one seed pod like this one, and you have to punch it like that, and many of the seed will come out. You can see it is full of seeds here. It is full of seeds. So these are the black seeds. These are the dog flower seeds. It also have two varieties. One is small in size and another one is big one. Both have same kind of seed collection. Okay, here is another variety. This one called verbena. It also has small size, you can see, and the seed look like this one. If you look closely here, the seed look like this one. So how do we know that the seeds are ready? So let me show you. When you see the flowers are like that, like this one is not yet ready. It is green. Flower dried up, but the bottom portion is green. But if you look at this one, it is completely ready. This one is ready and this one is not yet ready. So you have to wait until it turns brown. So then you have to collect the seed pod and just rub it like that, and it will have, you can see, these are the seeds. It will have seeds. You can see this one is seed, this. So these are the seeds of verbena. This. So there are many seeds in one seed pod. There is another variety. This one called Dianthus and raspberry variety. You can see it has very beautiful colors. So to collect Dianthus seeds, you have to wait until the flower dried up and it opens from the top. So if it is not yet open like this one, it is not ready. And if it is like green, this one, you can see this, it is also not ready yet, but this one is ready. This one is completely ready. This one is also ready. So there are so many that are ready here. You can see it is open and ready to collect. But if it's green and closed like this one, then this you have to wait until it turns brown and open up like this. So to collect the seed, you have to pick the dried flower like that, and same process, you have to put it down, and these are the seeds. So this one is Dianthus seed. You can see how many seeds one seed pod have. So these are the Dianthus seeds. Same way of collecting all the Dianthus variety. So this one is stalk. It also have two variety. One is longer one and one is shorter one. So you can see these are the seeds. When flower drop down, then these seeds will come out. You can see all the flower dropped, and you can see these seeds will come out. This stage is not ready, and they all are still not ready. But I will show you an example. This one is still green, so it is not yet ready, but this one is ready, and you can see the seeds look like this one, the rounded one. How you collect them? So you have to pick the fully ripened one, the fully brown stalk, and you have to put it like that, and you can see these seeds are coming inside this seed pod. So they have bigger seed pod, and you can see seeds are staying in there and they all are dropped. So you can, this way you can collect stalk seeds. Both variety have same kind of seeds, the shorter one and the longer one. So there are so many seeds in there. So these are the seeds of stalk. Here you can see these are the stalk seeds. Here is another winter flower. Its name is Daimor. Their seeds are also ready. You can see these are the seeds. When the seed pod is completely open and dried up, then that means the seeds are ready. But if it is like that, then seeds are not ready. You can see this one, green one, seeds are coming out, but they are not yet ready. They are green. Here you can see the green stalk. So this one is not yet ready, and This one is completely ready. I will show you. It is brown. Here are the two examples. So this one is ready and this one is still in progress. So let me show you how you can collect seeds. They are also dropping down easily, and these are the seeds. You see, you can just drop them and they come into your hand, and these are the seeds. Yeah. So these are the seeds, and they are still not ready, but they are ready. So when the flowering stalk turn brown and open up, then the seeds are ready to collect. The best example, you can see how beautiful they are completely ripe and brown seeds. So you have to collect them when they are completely brown. Here are all the winter flower seeds. They are collecting and storing them when they fully dried up. So these are the gerbera seeds. They are drying it up. This is the flowering stalk, and this is fully open flowering stalk. I think it has very small seeds at the end of each flower. So this is the single variety, not the hybrid one. Hybrid one usually not produce any seed. You can see these are the seeds. So here is the video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. Bye.